Now, members of the Jamaica Defense Force have been leading major cleanup efforts in Catherine Hall, St. James. Residents say the JDF's arrival has brought much needed help. Yannick Williams has the details.
The Category 5 hurricane ripped through Catherine Hall. But today residents say they're finally seeing progress thanks to a full-scale cleanup led by the Jamaica Defense Force.
The military coming in is an awesome action because they are here as early as 8 o'clock, leaving at maybe 7 o'clock in the evening, and they are in the houses helping us in the homes, cleaning up, removing garbage, helping in every area. I'm proud. I'm proud of them. I applaud them each time they pass by marching. I applaud them, telling them thanks for coming to Catherine Hall because we need them, and also West Green and West Green medals. I'm very proud.
The JDF brought in specialized machinery to remove debris, equipment residents didn't have to do the job themselves. This resident says the assistance was badly needed. His house was flooded during the storm.
I have to hang on to the stand up on the grill so. Lock my hands around the grill so. From the rain, from the mud, from the rain start coming until it finish. Whole night, a piece of toes, I mean, 4 days, 4 nights.
For many residents, this marks the first meaningful sign of recovery since the storm. However, one resident says additional support will be needed.
Currently, we're having sewage problem, like raw, live sewage problem. Even my bathroom, one of the bathrooms is completely closed off. You cannot enter it because the raw sewage is there.
And while there are major health threats looming, she says,
mosquito is killing me. Even though the L persons are here, mosquito is taking my life, like literally taking my life. Mosquito is here. There are some rats that are bigger than all of our heads put together as well. So we need to work on that as well. Ensure that all drainage are full. Even though you may want to take on the household, the drainage are big issue. Once you fix that, then you can decrease the other outside problems. So fix the drainage.
Meanwhile, the Member of Parliament for St. James West Central, Marlene Malahoo Ford, says residents are worried about the current leptospirosis threat.
The disaster has brought a combination of things in the space. So where you have stagnant water, it will be a breeding site for mosquitoes. We have to try and address it as quickly as possible. Where you have uncollected garbage, it's going to be a site visited by rodents. The NSWMA has been taking out the garbage, but we have more garbage being generated in the space than you can get the trucks in and out fast enough to take away the garbage.
And she added that the government officials are working to address the ongoing challenges as the community continues its long road to recovery. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.